how cool that is.
Oh, that is really cool.
Isn't it? It's a microscope for your phone.
My dad needs one. Sorry, Dad, love you.
But I have it downstairs if you want to give it to him. But look how cool. So you could literally zoom in, whether you want to like use it for science purposes or use it to read a menu, whichever. Has a light on it as well. It clips on and off. It's rechargeable. You could change the type of light on it, warm, cool. I think it even has it has a purple light. And it slides also too to set up to almost work with any phone. It clips on there. Super, super easy, super functional. Like, I love how easy it is to use. Look, it comes right off. Boom. You're able to charge it, set it up, tighten, awesome. Loosen it. So easy. And when you loosen it, it slides back and forth. See? How cool is that?
That is really cool.
And it works with almost any phone. So universal, UV light, LED light, and it is that simple to use. Of course, once we took it off, it was like kind of hard to get it like back in the right place. But once you move it around a little bit and play with it, and adjust it, you're good to go. So, guys, go check this out. Love, love, love.